クリヨン郡農林畜産担当者でありますアーネル・アルカンターラさんをご自宅に訪ねお話を伺いました。
Culion is one among the island municipalities in the province of Palawan. It is situated at the northern part, and its climatic condition, it has a pronouncement of summer in the area and rainy days. The population of Culion is 22,147, and the population of farmers who have been engaged in land-based agriculture is 1,761. The source of this data is RSBSA of 2012. The population of fishermen is 2,522, and the source of this data is RSBSA 2012. The total land area of Culion is 50,000 hectares. The agricultural land is 10,661. And the municipal waters is bigger than the total land area. It is 75,000 hectares. Land-based agriculture, we have the agronomy and the livestock. In agronomy, we have the temporary crops and we have the permanent crops or fruit-bearing trees. In the temporary crops, we have upland organic rice. In the upland organic rice, we have also here the corn, the cassava, the yam, which is obi, okay, the vegetables, the potential in our area, and which has a good suitability in the soil, a good adaptation in the climatic condition, are the horseradish, lemongrass, squash, wing bean, okra, jute or saluyot, kangkong, eggplant, better gourd, and string bean. Okay. And the permanent crops or fruit-bearing trees, these are the crops, permanent crops that have been so viable in our municipality because we have the pronouncement of summer in our area. These crops are the sun-loving crops, which means to say, if the heat of the sun is good, then it can be induced to have a good reproduction. One is the citrus family, the mango, the cashew, the pineapple, guayabano, the papaya, the jackfruit, the guava, the star apple, the santol, and the avocado, and the coconut if it is placed or planted. Okay. In rice, we have the LGU support for the rice production. And actually, it is our priority crops that we recommend to be developed in Culion. That any entity, any agency, any if it is NGO or government, they have to give us a program in agriculture, and it should be in rice because our sufficiency level here is rice sufficiency level is very low. It's only 13% before, which means to say the 87% we are importing it from different provinces in Metro Manila. It is the commercial rice and the NFA from NFA. Aside from that, Culion, because of its a low sufficiency level, we have a big problem in economy to move up. No? LGU support in rice is that we provide soft loan for farm inputs like fertilizers, pesticides, and seeds. Okay, we purchase it in Metro Manila or in other neighboring provinces, and then the interest that being marked up by the how do you call that one? Sales agent, the sales agent, no? Okay, have been subsidized by the mayor, by the local. We also provide or distribute to the farmers the seedlings of permanent crops like coconut, cashew. Okay, so that's all, and I thank you.